Now we've modified this same lighting setup a little bit, and we're using this as a starting point to add some other lights. We moved the light from beneath her to the side of her face. We've added a soft shadow, and we've moved the backlight around. We've reduced the intensity on the backlight and moved it around to just off her shoulder. This is called cross lighting, where you have one light coming from this direction and another light coming from the opposite direction. So that's a good starting point, but let's add some more lights. We're going to add a fill light to one side of her face. And the fill light does just that. It fills in some of the darkness that has been created by the side light.